Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive payment on Airbnb. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start receiving your payouts on Airbnb. How do you actually go ahead and set that up? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account Settings, then click on Payments. Then from here, you're going to go ahead and select Payout Methods. Next, select Set Up Payouts. Then this is where you're going to enter your billing country and region, and then select how you want to get paid. So Airbnb offers 4 different payouts. There's Fast Pay, Bank Account, PayPal, and Payoneer. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and receive payments on Airbnb. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.